I came up with a retro tech challenge that nobody asked for. We own a bunch of 1/6 scale arcade games, and yes, they're fully playable, and yes, they have tiny video output jacks, and yes, that's a thing you can waste your money on. And I also own a full-size Dragon's Lair arcade machine from the 1980s, of course. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace in the kind of shape where you'd expect it to have raccoons. Oh, no, sorry, I can't say raccoons. Where you would expect to have squatters living inside. We restored it. It's gorgeous. So now I thought, what if I could make the little mini Dragon's Lair play through the full-size version of itself? Does anyone need that? Absolutely not. Am I doing it anyway? You bet, because the universe gave me this idea, and now it's your problem too. So we need some wiring adapters to convince the Dragon's Lair NTSC converter to accept video from our Mini-Me Dragon's Lair. Naturally, that means a field trip to Ace Electronics, where the business model is apparently, what if Radio Shack had survived and then totally hulked out? We grab a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and hope the cashier doesn't ask too many questions. Our baby Dragon's Lair has its own power and HDMI out, so obviously we're going to need an HDMI cable. 6 feet long because 3 feet is too short, and 9 feet makes you look like you're setting up for a U2 concert. This HDMI runs into our tiny HDMI to AV converter box, which magically transforms a signal from 2025 into the same color scheme as a kindergarten crayon set, red, white, and yellow. Now, the converter's got male RCA plugs, but our Dragon's Lair wants female RCA plugs, so boom, $3.64 adapter from Ace. That's cheaper than bottled water at the airport, and more useful. And finally, the Pace de Resistance, an RCA to BNC adapter, because for some reason Dragon's Lair thought video cables should look like submarine parts. But hey, now we're basically replicating the same jacks on the Dexter Laserdisc emulator, which means anything with HDMI, RCA, or a strong will to live can now be plugged into Dragon's Lair. Sure, this seems complicated, but believe me, there are worse things out there. Minnesota state taxes, for example. Blech. I still need to figure out where I'm going to set down the minigame while I'm playing it through the big Dragon's Lair monitor. I can't rewire the control panel because that would actually be way too cool, and we cannot have that. Maybe one day, but not today. So, let's line up all the adapters and check our progress like we're running through a grocery list for insane people. Okay, USB power and HDMI out. Check. HDMI to AV box? Check. Replicating the exact plugs on a Dexter, like some kind of cosplay? Check. Now it's time to open up the cabinet and disconnect the cables from the actual Dexter. And let me tell you, this is harder than it looks. And not just because I'm holding a camera while trying not to electrocute myself. The first audio cable, someone labeled it bottom. Okay, thank you, past owner, for clarifying the obvious. This cable identifies as a bottom. Got it. The other cable, just a piece of string is hanging off of it. What does that even mean? Was it once labeled top? Did someone give up halfway? Am I crossing a line here? Yeah, absolutely. And last but not least, we need to unplug the big BNC splitter. The little Y-shaped miracle that lets the arcade monitor and the spectator monitor share a video signal. And yes, when we hook this all up, both screens will play whatever ridiculous thing we feed into the system. And why? Because happiness is contagious. And also, if Dragon's Lair is going to be extra, it may as well be really extra. Everything's hooked up now thanks entirely to the dark art of video editing magic. Because let's be honest, it's not a real long-form YouTube video until you slam your hand down and skip over the boring parts like some caffeinated wizard. All right, let's bring this Frankenstein to life. Step 1, flip on the power to the big boy. And step 2, hunt around for the teeny tiny microscopic can barely see it power switch on the little guy. And step 3, we're going to go full sports announcer because we are officially entering play-by-play mode. Okay, everything seems to be running. Oh, look! There's the splash screen from when the game starts. That's pretty cool. New Wave Toys? Okay. Replicate Amusements present. Oh, this is so weird saying it on the big monitor like this. All right, and come on. How many of these do they have? This is like the world's worst movie opening. Come on, let's go. Where is it? Did it... Dragon's Lair! Oh, but the audio is coming out of the little game. The video's going through. Oh, that's really weird. I mean, kind of a mission accomplished. And look, it's got little black bars on the side. That means it's outputting widescreen video. And there's no way to seemingly change that. But, I mean, it is doing it. It's putting out video to both our spectator monitor and our built-in monitor. So, why not? Let's coin up and play a game and see what it's like. I'm just going to set it over here. And we're going to see what this is like. I'm not going to judge. Don't I mean, you don't judge either, right? Okay, don't. Okay, classic beginning. Nice. Oh, it's like mirrored. Oh shoot! I was thrown off. We're out. People say the noises that Dirk makes reminds them of Homer Simpson. Ah, the timing is a little off. Weird. Very weird. I hear that the same programming in the Dexter is in this, so... Oh, I don't know this one, do I? No. And that did not go well. Well, well, well. Okay. So that was a success. I think we can give that a full-on thumbs up that we did it correctly. I'm a little weirded out that the audio is still coming out of it. You know, I have other things that we could put through the system. Oh, good. You gave me a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you, me, from earlier. I forgot you did that. All right. Well, okay, we're going to power off, and then let's go look and see what else we have over here. I got a bunch of stuff, so let's see over here. How about the Nintendo NES? This is easy, and this I don't even need the HDMI adapter. I can plug the... I think there's a video out and an audio out. We can plug those guys in directly into our new little input harness, as long as I don't fall down and hurt myself. All right, let's see what we got. One of those things is an eraser, by the way. I will need some audio and video out cables, and here they are right here, right on top. Hey, they're a top. I knew it. Double Dragon. I only own 2 cassettes for the NES. I mean, cartridges. I'm so nervous. It's exciting. Okay, here we go. Power on the Dragon's Lair. Turn off the light so we can see what's going on. Power up this guy. Oh, is it black and white? Oh, it's color. I kind of hiccuped. And the audio is coming through. So we're going to be able to play Double Dragon through the Nintendo controller right here. And, but watching it through the Dragon's Lair upright arcade cabinet. This is cool. I'm excited, actually. All right, let's see. I don't know how to play this game on a... Okay, he took my woman, I guess. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of sad. And then mission 1. I don't think they're talking about a church, are they? All right, here we go. I'm going to start kicking you in the face, bro. Now come over here so I can kick you in the face. I'm playing one-handed because of camera. This is doing good. I'm kicking some butts. Okay, let's move along. Just barely touched him. Can I get... Man, this one's tough. He's like screen 1 boss. All right, I'm allowed to move forward. I hiccuped just now. Let's play Back to the Future. This is the other cartridge I have. I got bored. I actually have never played this. Somebody sent me this, and I'm like, oh, cool. And I sat it next to my NES, and I've never put it in there. So let's see what happens. Black and white for a second. We got some colors. I don't know who these people are. This is good. And we got my controller ready. I don't know this music. It's playing through the full-size cabinet. That's pretty cool. Does anybody This is not from the movie. What music is this? All right, where am I? Let's see. I'm not sure what's going on. It's still too bright in here. I keep turning the light on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, guys. We're gonna hey, we're in Hill Valley. I guess I gotta go through this stupid, simplest maze that was ever made ever. Okay. I'm walking or skateboarding, I guess. Looks just as good up here as it does down there. I fell down. This game's bad. The street looks beautiful. And you know what? I'm moving forward no matter what. I picked up, yeah. Oh. Sorry, lady. Was that Nancy from the cartoons? I couldn't tell. Did you see that? You know what? I'm not feeling this. Here's what we're gonna do. we're gonna file this away where it's belonged the whole time. Goodbye. All right. My dogs are like, what was that? Like, just shut up. Okay, this one's a classic. You can't go wrong here, right? We'll plug this guy in. This one does have HDMI output, and I set it to not widescreen, so it should take up the full screen. Here we go. It says it's loading the game, and there it is. What kind of disappointment was this in the 80s where you're like, wait a minute, this doesn't look like the arcade game? What's happening? All right. Here we go. The classic. It's easy to play one-handed, actually. Let's get some of these. Hey, any Gen Xers out there, were you happy or disappointed? I mean, I was happy. I was like, I died. I did it happen again. I was like, well, at least they sort of figured it out. Although they look more like wafers now, the little dots instead of dots. And this is definitely the most boring pattern ever. I know they have homebrews that look way better. I mean, I guess they were like, hey, I got the siren right. I know the guy who programmed this, so I shouldn't be talking crap. All right. I think we've had a great success, except for the not being able to play the game. Well, we did it, everybody. We're able to play 3 different systems on our Dragon's Lair. Wait, I have a 4th player? Oh, well, no, I don't have it anymore. All right, thumbs up. Good job. All right, we're going to put our audio back together and make sure everything is good. Just ignore those dogs that are barking. Turn on our power. Let's make sure it comes back like we expect it. Remember we fixed that display earlier? That looks really good, too. Dragon's Lair 3.2. Who knows? I don't know what these mean. But this is the expected boot up sequence. All right, we didn't break it. Yeah, we did it, everybody. This is fantastic. All right, what else should we do? Should we do anything else like this? I don't know. This was weird, right? We did it, everybody. Yeah. Woot, woot. We did it. Yeah.